It's my Catbird. Hi, cat. I can't get away without hanging in the garden without you coming around. That's a good thing. It's gonna come over and see me. Oh, you're really up close. You silly bird, I can't. He's just sitting on my hand. There's no food. You're fun. Let's get you some raisins. You're gonna get yourself some worms? Come on back. Come on. I zoomed out. Come on back and see me. Come on, you silly bird. Let's see you fly. Let's see you fly. Sweet cat. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Hi. Tell everybody that you come in the house now? Yeah, you do. Look at, I think you're in. Oh, you just ran out. Where are you? Okay, I won't tease you anymore. We'll get some raisins now. Say goodbye. Bye.